Scars Publications releases annual collection books, and we've released 2 this year. One is of poetry and fiction, longer pieces of prose. Do you need some more?
No, back.
Okay. And
Just trying to get rid of me.
this one is aptly titled On a Rainy Day.
Oh, very appropriate. Very appropriate.
Which is appropriate for today.
The only rainy day in the whole of Austin.
On a rainy
This
day.
is it.
I think a very, very long time ago I snapped this shot out of a car.
Uh-huh.
Which it had the line bars from the back window or something.
Right.
And I have no idea why I took it, but then I thought,
Now you
this
can
would be
use
a
it.
perfect scene for a collection book like this.
Yes.
And so I was going to share with you.
Is there a poem on a rainy day? Inside?
There is one inside of this.
That's
somewhere.
Good.
This is how I go searching for titles.
Exactly.
What is a good sounding title?
Very
like the last ones you saw, The Lighthouse and Flawed Cadaver. Those were titles for things. So I'm just going to randomly pick through poems from this one. This first one is called Newspaper Inks the Blood of a Dying Species.
That's the truth. Yeah.
Isn't it though?
Yeah.
Sitting in those basement labs, the hum of computer workstations accompanied my thoughts. Time was ticking, deadlines darted, but I was used to the daily deadline. The rush to be on time was my nicotine. I'd slam my hands, my fingers into those keyboards so that every newspaper would know my side of the story. I would keep copies of my work in 9-point type, 2-inch wide columns, but newspaper inks are newspaper pages are like thin as tissue, and I can't hold on to my work in this form forever, not like this. The ink smudges and disappears whenever anyone touches the page. Maybe this is the disintegration of the written word, now that everyone prefers reading the news from their phones and tablets. Besides, they want to read on their commuter trains to work. Newspaper ink would smudge onto their crisp white shirts. Journalism is a dying art. Millennials think that using your smartphone and texting whatever anyone blurts out is actually news. So they post their nonsense on every electronic medium they can find. And besides, with the prices they pay for phones so that they can Google every question they have and not have to retain any answers, texting and data better be free. Not like those newspapers, not like the tabloid ones, but the ones that you have to spread your arms out to read. You know, the cumbersome ones.
Nice one.
The ones that make you feel like you actually have something worth saying because it's something of value.
Yeah.
That's what I loved about. I love being able to make a statement on a printed page and have it delivered to the town's front doors. I open my own front door and then open my daily papers, just like the ones delivered to every other front door, then open the pages wide and then find what's mine. Why bother remembering stories of the news when you can just reference it in archives online? Well, you may be right, it may seem convenient, but it's inconvenient to search for those stories in the first place. And anyway, I still contend that it's better for your eyes and maybe your brain, because you can actually retain information on a page. I know, the newspaper's a dying species. It's a dying art. But the oils, the pigment that makes that ink, it makes our blood. Understand this. And if you ever grab a newspaper again, if any of that ink smudges onto your fingers, well, rub it in. Let it get into your bones, because this stuff's in our blood, and it gives us life.
Yeah.
Thank you. This one was a poem that actually was included in the end of the year celebration for the last performance at the Baha'i Center.
There you go.
This is one of the poems that was in this, and it was called Viewing the Woman in the 19th Century Photograph. I see the woman in the picture. I see their depictions of beauty, of something that couldn't work, that can't work. I see the sepia toning, but I also see the dependency, and I see the degradation. My mind's been cluttered. I can't see the women. I see the adornments of beauty, the preposterous and practical ways she's been made to be seen and not heard. She was forced with this image, and it must be a crime, because now I've been tainted with the knowledge of society, with the knowledge of its motives, and now I can't even see the beauty, I can just see the oppression. Oh, it's not like that anymore, they say, as I wipe the makeup off my eyelids and wonder who I'm trying to impress.
Yeah.
The one pager for that book as well. This, is a haiku that was a filler for a story, and it is called Census. I want to work for the U.S. Census Bureau and count the bodies.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh.
Another haiku for the space. This one's called Gone.
Right.
Where does the love go when the love is gone? I've searched for it and wondered, where does the love go? And I will give you one more haiku. This one is called Enjoy. Insanity, this size, so just let nature take its course and enjoy the ride.
Oh yeah, hanging. That's cool.
On a rainy day, a perfect title for this rainy day today.
Absolutely.
And thank you very much.
And Ben?